Just a quick little video here I wanted to show you before I covered this up, explain it to you a little bit, just in case you ever wondered what it looks like behind your fiberglass unit or your tile, whatever you have. This is a shower valve. So you cut the water off and on. So if you ever wondered what it looks like behind there, well, this is it. You got your hot and your cold. Comes up, you turn it on, it opens it up, comes up through the shower head. Now if you have a bathtub unit, there'll be a pipe coming from here down, and then you'll have your spout. But that's it. So if you ever have to replace one of these, this is what you're looking at. This is what you're looking at. That's why you got to tear out a big area, because you got to cut back, to here and pull that out. And you got to have room to work, and so you got to cut out a big area. But anyway, just wanted you to see what it looks like behind the tub unit or the tile. That's what it looks like. That's your shower valve. That's it. We'll see.